What's up, y'all? It's Michael Carpenter here from the Rooster. We're at the Southern Soul Boots and Duke show with Zay Grassley. We got a bunch of artists going on tonight. If you're not here already, get on down here and support the Rooster, support Zay, support live local music. That's what we do here all day, every day, live and local. That's our motto, baby.
We break barriers and everything, man. Music is what brings people together. And music is what's gonna do it. And anybody from Gastonia know, man, I'm giving my heart out for this shit, man. I love Gaston County, I love the 704, I love the people in Gastonia, North Carolina. No matter whether I'm here or not, man, this is always